Listen now. Just listen.
There's going to be any animal testing. I'm going to do it.
Listen carefully. What do you hear?
There's going to be any animal testing. I'm going to do it.
Stupid, but I'm gonna do it, okay?
I'm gonna do it.
Stop the video and write what you heard.
There's going to be any animal testing. I'm going to do it.
Stupid, but I'm gonna do it, okay?
I'm gonna do it.
Now you see the text. Does it make sense? Today we will learn why native speakers say this, when to use it, and how to sound natural. Gonna is the short way to say going to. We use it in daily conversations. So, instead of saying, I am going to do it, we say, I'm gonna do it. We use going to for two reasons. 1. Plans. I'm going to visit my parents this weekend. 2. Predictions. Look at the clouds. It's going to rain. But why do native speakers say gonna? Because spoken English is fast. Instead of going to, they say gonna to sound natural. Wrong or correct? He gonna go. Wrong. He's gonna go. Correct. Many English learners make this mistake, but you will not. Gonna always needs a to-be verb, so never say he gonna go. The correct way is he's gonna go. What is the difference? Going to, for plans and predictions. Example, I'm gonna buy a new car. Plan, decided before, will, for decisions now. Example, I'll buy a new car. Decision now.
I swear to God, if you don't put your dog down, I'm gonna do it for you, Celia.
Did you hear it? When people make a big decision, they say, I'm gonna do it. More examples. 1. I'm gonna call you later. 2. She's gonna buy a new phone. 3. They're gonna be late. 4. We're gonna move to a new city. 5. He's gonna love this surprise. Now, practice. Complete these sentences. Write your answers in the comments. 1. I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna. 2. It's raining. We're gonna. 3. I have a big exam tomorrow, so I'm gonna. 4. My favourite movie is on tonight, so I'm gonna. 5. We have a party this weekend, so I'm gonna. Write your answers. English is easy. You just need consistent practice and small, smart steps every day. That's how you reach fluency. The key is to learn from those who have done it before, experts who know the challenges and how to overcome them. So, say it with me. I'm going to speak English like a native. Now, write this in the comments and take your first step today. Did you like this lesson? Like this video? Share it with a friend and subscribe for more.